removing makeup is such a task. I have to remove the makeup, then go for a face wash, then go for my skincare. It's actually too much for my skin. I'm a lazy as Cancerian. I cannot do that. If you are someone who thinks like that, then you need to watch this video till the end. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So from the title you know that what we're gonna review or what we're gonna talk about. Today we're gonna talk about one of my very favorite product. It is not a review product. It's not like that I'm gonna talk something bad about this product because I genuinely love this product. This product is the Mamaearth Micellar Water. I have used it so much that I have almost emptied the product and I wanted to share my review before I just go out of the product. So this is the product we're talking about. This is the Mamaearth Micellar Water Foaming Makeup Remover. Now this makeup remover comes with rose water and glycolic acid. Wow, what a combination. Now we're gonna go and dig this product, how much it is for, what it do, how can it be helpful for you, how can it be not helpful for you, which is not gonna come from my mouth because I'm literally in love with the product. Why? You're gonna see in the video. You have to watch the video till then because I'm gonna tell you some things about the product which you might not have heard about the product. So let's just dig into the video. Okay, first things first, what is the price of this product? And this product retails for 399 rupees. It's not pricey. You guys cannot say that it's so pricey because you get 150 ml of product and 399 for a product which has micellar water plus face wash ke gun in one product. Okay, so let's just talk about that what we get here. Okay, now sabse pehle it is a made in India drive because Mamaearth. This is a totally Indian brand. Okay, now where can you get this product from? You can get this product from online and offline stores. Online stores you can get from any confectionery shop, any shop, supermarket, any big bazaar type shop, any shop which retails cosmetics or skincare products. And in the offline stores we have Nykaa, Amazon, Purple, HOK. What HOK does not sells it. It doesn't sells it. Okay, we have many more stores like that. Okay, so you can go for any of those platforms and you can buy this. It is easily available anywhere on the offline stores. Okay, now that we have covered the basics, let's just talk about the ingredients, how to use it, how the product looks like from the inside, everything, all that jazz. Now first of all, you know the disclaimer about the Mamaearth products: paraben free, SLS free, no mineral oils, dermatologically tested, pH balance is so good. Okay, now it suits all skin types. So this is for both men and women. I don't think so men can benefit a lot from this product because उनको face wash ही चाहिए, तो they can just skip it because ये हमारे लिए रहने दो. It will take off makeup beautifully, I guess. So now it suits all skin types. Now how do you use it? Now you can use it on a makeup full face like that. I am wearing a lot of makeup right now and I'm gonna take off all this makeup with the help of this product right here. But before that we're just gonna dig into the ingredient. It has some chemical ingredients in it जिनका मुझे तो no idea है. It has nothing to do deal with my dictionary, जिसमें मुझे नहीं लगता मुझे आपको कुछ समझाने की ज़रूरत है. All those chemicals which would be in every sort of product, so it would be obviously the dissolvents, makeup dissolvents, I guess. Now how do you use it? You wet your face with warm water, then you pump out the foaming makeup remover and then you massage gently all over the face and neck and cleanse and purify the clogged pores. Now there is a tip just for the cleaning of the brush. To clean the brush, dip it in equal parts of vinegar and lukewarm and then it's gonna be totally clean. And then there is nothing so specific. All this is a cruelty-free vegan product, okay, and it is enriched with the glycolic acid and rose water. Let's use this product. I'm first gonna show you how the product looks like. It is actually not in this cartridge. I have used it so much. It is in my washroom. अब आपको इसकी covering से तो पता लग ही जाएगा that it has been in water for a long time. Now I just wanted to read something that it gently exfoliates and remove makeup buildup. Okay, the package, this brush they have given, this is the most exciting part of removing the makeup. This is such a soft silicone brush. It goes on your skin like beautifully. I mean, it is not harsh at all. कहीं से चुभता नहीं है, आपको लगता नहीं. It's not abrasive. It is so soft on your skin. Then you can see from the color that it is little faded. Actually, I used this micellar water to take off the holy colors, and they were gone off from my face, but stick to this one. So it, you know, it just got faded and got the holy colors. आपको पता है कितने पक्के होते हैं वो colors. So this looks somewhat like that. And when you pump your, you know, micellar water from here, then the foaming face wash comes out here, and then you can directly apply it on your face. The best part of this face wash is that you don't have to, you know, ruin your hands if you're not in the mood. So how you can use it, I'm just gonna tell you. Okay, I also want to say that it came with the plastic lid. It has a covering on the head so that the head is protected, but somehow I shifted my place and I threw it, so I cannot find it right now. So I am unable to find it, but we gonna but this is all protective. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि air में रहेगा तो there would be no bacteria or any, you know, any microorganism would be accumulating on it. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि on air ये ज़्यादा safe रहेगा. Just like our toothbrushes, I don't know why people keep it in a cap or so. I'm a dentist. I have been never told that it should be kept in a, you know, in a pocket or in a cap. So okay, we should start this one. Okay, now with the help of this makeup remover pad, I am going to verify my face. Just dampen your face wherever it's makeup. If I pump it, so the foam comes like that. I told you it is in its end phase, and you just have to apply it like that. Let's see. You can see a lot of product is dripping out. It's dripping from my face, but a lot of product is on the head as well. It's not like that ये पुराने color वाला था. If I wipe it off, see, brush is clean now. Now what I'm gonna do, we're gonna go on our eyes with the help of same foam. We're gonna see if I can take it off. Just squeeze your eyes very well, because the product can go in your eyes like that. It's never recommended that you use any product like that, but for the, you know, demo purpose, I am, you know, telling you guys that this is also one way you can do it. Now I'm just gonna take out this as well, because if I surpass the stage, it's gonna irritate my eyes. Okay, that's what I wanted to say, that it can take off any sort of makeup. You can see that it has completely, you know, taken off all my makeup. Now that the makeup is all gone, so this is not like इसकी दो pumps में ये कर दिया. इसके बाद I need a final pump to take off all the particles, any residual particles basically from the face, so that our face looks good and beautiful and presentable. So yes, I am gonna go with the final, you know, final round of this makeup remover. When I did the final round, there is less residue in comparison to the round one. So just take it off. Also, I wanted to show you guys that it's a detachable brush. So if there is a dust or impurity accumulating here, you can just take it off and take off the impurity with the help of running tap water, I guess. The face is all clean, guys. Now you can see my face is all clear. It is actually, there is no makeup residue. I hope you guys now know that why I was, you know, calling for this product, that you guys are not gonna hate it. This is a must buy product. You should definitely go and buy it. I'm not gonna review it here, and I'm just gonna, you know, say that how effectively this product works for your skin. Do buy this skin and watch this video before you buy it, because you are not going to waste your money. This is such a beautiful product. Just see how cool the results were. I did not use any sort of makeup remover oil, yeah, cleansing milk, nothing at all, just this one product, and I was all done. I did not use a face wash as well, and I literally don't go for any face wash after I cleanse my face with this micellar water. Guys, overall this is such a beautiful product to inculcate in your daily routines. Just go for this face wash, come micellar water, come face water, rose water के साथ ये जो mixed है. This is such a beautiful product for all those who are lazy ass. And with this I should sign off for today, and definitely you can check out other videos which would be on screen, and if they are not, they would be in the description bar. Let me know in the comment section that what do you want. If you want to buy this product, I will put I will just place a link in my YouTube description bar so you can check the product out as well. And we will meet in my next video. Do tell me that if you want me to review some other product, Mamaearth or any other brand, if you want me to do any look, just throw do any look, yeah, do any look, just throw a comment in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you would be notified every single time I upload a video, and you guys show some love as well. So let's just sign off, and I'm gonna go to sleep because it's late in the night as well. Bye bye guys.